In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a location link in a Canva invitation. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. In the search bar, type invitation and select an invitation template you like. After the template opens, locate the area where you want to place the event address. If the template does not already include an address section, go to the left side menu and click Text. Then add a text box to your design. Type the address of your event in the text box. Next, open Google Maps in a new browser tab and search for the event location. Once the location appears, copy the URL link from the address bar. Return to your Canva design and select the address text you added. At the top toolbar, click the link icon. Paste the Google Maps link into the link field and press Apply. Now the address in your invitation will become a clickable link. When someone clicks the address in the digital invitation, it will open the location in Google Maps. Finally, review your design and click Share and then download to save your invitation.